water, overcome me and so me. Girl, you they complete my life. Sometimes in boy you make her shy. Yes, it water on your door. Into the end you made me back.
Hi guys, hello, hi, welcome once again to my channel. If you are new, I am Susanita Efe, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are a darling. Let's get right into the video. But wait, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you are not following me on Instagram, please go follow me on Instagram. Let's keep the ministry moving to the permanent site, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look right here. So keep on watching this video. So as I've done my brows, I'm just going to first of all continue with my eyes. For a very long time, you guys, I've not really done my makeup this way. Like I always do my foundation and all before I continue with my eyes, but now I am doing it the other way around. I'm going to finish with my eyes and then I continue with the look. So first, you guys, I got a new palette. Like I got this palette today. You know that feeling when you have a new palette? You guys, just ignore my nails, okay? I know they kind of look nice. So about this palette, I got this palette today and I am so excited. It's very colorful, it's very nice, and I just want to play with colors today. I don't know, I think I should go first with this, the blue one right here. The blue one right here says L. I'm just going to start with that. Because I'm playing with colors, I want it to be like sisters at least, not cousins. So I'm just going to be doing both eyes at the same time, so that at least I know what I'm doing, so it doesn't look like a child's play. So you guys, what I'm doing now, I'm just gently trying to blend it all in, because you know the underneath my brows I have to really be careful, because I don't want to wipe my brows, or I don't want to use the blue to go on top of my brows with the blue color. So I'm just trying to be very careful. Blue so I'm just trying to be careful. I think it looks like green on camera. At this point, I don't want to rush, because it doesn't make sense rushing and spoiling it. I just have to take my time and be careful. Normally, I would change this brush to a smaller one, but I like the fluffiness of this brush and I just want to use it. Yes, that's just what I'm doing. I don't want to change it. I'll take the pink color here. I'll just take this pink one right here. To use this Catrice camouflage cream. I'm going to use it to cut my crease. So this is how far I could get. Like this is just it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this yellow color right here. I'm going to go in with this yellow. I'm done with the yellow. I think I'm satisfied. I'm going to take this one right here. It's called Michelle, but it's orange color. It's orange color, but the name here is Michelle, so I'm going to use this to go further. So the next color I'll be going for this green one right here, and the name of this green is called Jamie. Okay, let's see. It's really not the best green. Like it's not really as dark as I would love it to be, but yeah, I want to use one palette for this look, so let me just add it. So now I'm just going to use a smaller brush to apply the same orange color. I'm just going to use it to blend my under eye. I'm going to do with the yellow, I'm going to also apply the same yellow underneath. I'm just going to use this Davis eye pencil to line my waterline. I'm just going to go in with this white Maniac 3-in-1. It's like you can use it for a liner, you can use it for whatever you want to use it for. So I'm just going to use this white one to go over my waterline again. Now I'm just going to go work on the other parts of my face. I think we should just do it on camera, because why should I go off camera? So next I'm going to go with my black let me just finish this look with my black upper stick foundation, you guys. As you can tell, my skin is more brown, and really, you guys, I am loving it. As you know, I went to Africa. If you are following me on Instagram, you should know by now I went to Africa, and yeah, the sun gave me natural tanning, and yeah. The only problem I have is I am now struggling for foundation that matches my skin tone. That's the only stress. But luckily I have this one that I would normally use to contour my face. That is what I'm not using as my normal to-go foundation. So now I'm just going to highlight my face. I'll be using a foundation. This foundation is one that I would normally use all over my face, but because I look more brown and beautiful, I'm going to use it for highlighter. Now I'll be using my ZK Cosmetic, the Eye Definition Powder and Foundation palette. This is the palette that I will be using. To contour my face, I will be using this one right here. It's called Dark Cacao. That's the one I'll be using. This one right here to contour my face. Using this one right here is the highlighter. It's very white. That's what I'll be using to highlight my face. So now, as you can see, my under eye is a little bit washed out with all the powder and foundation. So I'm just going to redo it again off camera and I will be right back. So to add a little bit of shine to the eyes, I am just going to use this glitter mascara. I'm going to use this glitter mascara to add some shine. So I think I still feel like playing a little bit, so I'm just going to use a white. This is actually a face it's a face paint, you guys. I'm just going to use it to add a little bit of star to my face because yeah, today is for playing, so let's just play.
no kwana ya da wuyepa yando isu ya tutudo no aga ya da sisikai sunan serious so inti wadana so asesa sase wadoka krebi tikabe pre